Hi, my name is Jessica, and I'm a senior instructional designer at Landing AI. The custom training process lets you customize certain training settings, including data augmentations. An augmentation applies changes to your images, like increasing brightness and adding blurs, before the model trains on the images. This increases the variations of your images, which allows the model to prepare for more situations, like changes in lighting. There are several augmentations you can configure. You can apply random brightness for a chance that the images in your dataset will randomly brighten. This is helpful if the lighting conditions vary, such as transitioning from daylight to nighttime. You can apply a blur modification for a chance that the images in your dataset will randomly blur. Blur uses a heavy blur to make the entire image look out of focus. Motion blur makes the entire image look like it's in motion. Gaussian blur uses a natural blur to make the entire image look out of focus. You can apply hue, saturation value, for a chance that the color intensity of the images will randomly change. For example, some objects can be different colors. You can change the hue, or the color of the image, so the model trains on objects with different colors. You can apply random contrast for a chance that the tone of the images will randomly change, which helps simulate different camera settings or environments that a model might encounter. You can apply horizontal flip for a chance that the image will randomly be mirrored horizontally. Similarly, you can apply vertical flip for a chance that the image will randomly be mirrored vertically. You can apply random augment to randomly apply a set of augmentations to your dataset. Finally, you can apply random rotate for a chance that the image will randomly rotate. And those are all the augmentations LandingLens offers. Visit the Landing AI Support Center and community for more information.